Hi, kindergartners. All right, we're to 3.6, and it's still time to work on the number 10. Oh, hey, look at that. My shirt has 1 through 10 on it. That's perfect. All right, we are going to, first of all, it says Jackson sees some fish in the water. Count how many. Use cubes to show how many. Remove the cubes and draw 10 squares on the boat. Are there different ways to show the number? Tell how you know. So I just dropped a cube. Sorry about that. Actually, I dropped two. Silly Mrs. Ernest. Okay, what I would like you to do, I think I was so excited to say hello to you. I have all of my cubes here, and I have my fish down here. So I'm pretty sure they said there were 10 fish, didn't they? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They did it correct. Go ahead and take your cubes and get them. You should have them with you. A long column of 10. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And it says, show me different ways to show the number 10. So here is one way. I could have one long column of 10 cubes. Let's go ahead and draw that now. So I'm going to get my pencil out and I'm going to draw a long strip. This is going to be a little bit easier for me to do it this way, probably you too. And then I'm going to make sure that's divided into 10. I'm going to show you a little cheap way to do that. I'm going to make it into 2 sides first, and then I'm going to put this side into 5 and this side into 5. That's kind of tricky, isn't it? So then I'm going to do, there's the first one, here's the second, third, and 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're not exactly equal, but that's okay. Now I'm going to make 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not perfect, but hey, we're doing the best we can. Okay, that's one way we could show it. If you wanted, you could break it equally into half and have two that are both 5. That would work. I could take it and I could make it 7 with 3. That would work. All of those ways work. I'm going to let you pick how you want to draw it next. So I'm going to give you a few seconds while I move on. But before you draw your second way, let's write the number 10 on the boat because we want to remind us how many we were counting. A 1 and a 0 makes the number 10. Good work. Okay, you keep finishing that page while I get us to the video. That would be great. See, you have a few seconds and you should almost be done. The video is not very long today. Go ahead and pay attention.
What do you see?
I see some sailboats.
There are boats. How can you tell how many boats there are?
You can count them.
You can count.
Ooh, I see this pattern of 5 right here. Do you see how
There
it looks
are
like
10
a dice?
boats. How many counters are there?
I'm guessing 10. I see 5 on top and 5 on the bottom.
There are 10 counters. How is the bottom picture like the top picture?
I bet you know.
It shows 10. How is the bottom picture different? It shows 10 with counters instead of boats. What number do you see?
It looks just like the number 10.
It is the number 10. What does the number 10 describe?
The number of boats.
It describes how many boats there are. If you trace this number, what number will you write?
I know you know. 10.
You will write the number 10.
And we've
Where
already
do you
practiced the
start
number
to
10.
trace the number?
Always at the top. You know it. All right, we're going to watch him trace the number 10, and then we're going to make our number 10
You
on our
start
paper.
at the dot on 1.
Good work, kindergarten.
You described different ways to show 10. You saw how to write the number 10. Now it is your turn to write the number 10.
All right, kindergartners, we're just going to do a couple pages together. So we're going to count these boats and then write the number. That's it. And that's what you're going to do the whole way through this. So we already know that there's 10 because they already did 10 for us. But please take your pencil. Whoa, try to trace on the lines. I think you'll do a better job than me because I'm using the silly pen, but make the number 10. Let's count these sailboats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, kindergartners. All right, we're going to make that straight line down for 1, and then we're going to make a circle for the 0. 10. Good job. Let's go ahead and count the sailboats now, the yellow ones. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops, where did my pen go? 6, 7, 8. Does that ever happen to you while you're holding your pen? I hope not. Number 8. Let's go ahead and make the S. And we're gonna close it up. Ooh, I've made better 8s in my day, but we'll do the best we can. Okay, the next page, you're gonna do the exact same thing. And I don't even think I need to help you with it. Look at those. Those boats are in a very interesting thing. I would make sure when you count these boats, make your line through it. So start at the top and go 1, and then go all the way around so you know which ones you've counted. Then write the number here, count the boats, write the number. The next page is going to be just like that. You're going to count the shells and write the number of shells, then count these shells and write these shells. And then this is going to be the green seahorses. You have to count all of the green seahorses. Remember, take that pencil and make sure you count them the first time when you go through it. So I'm going to count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many green ones? 10. And I'm going to write my 10 up here. And then this is kind of a tricky part of this page. I don't want you to stop there. I want you to go back and recount it in case you made a mistake. And if you made a mistake, then you can always cross off that 10 and write something else. But remember, when you check it, you're going to cross it the other way. So make sure you double count everything. Do your best work. Have your helper check it.